Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Starter for LinkedIn Lead Magnet step by step clearly. To install Shopify Starter for LinkedIn Lead Magnet, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type LinkedIn Lead Magnet and press enter. Locate the Shopify Starter app specifically designed for LinkedIn. Click on the app to view its details. Select the Add App button to begin the installation process. Shopify will prompt you to log in again for security purposes. After logging in, review the permissions that the app requires. If you agree, click the Install App button to proceed. Once the app is installed, you will be redirected to its setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your LinkedIn account. Authorize the app to access your LinkedIn profile. Next, configure the lead magnet settings according to your preferences. You can customize the content and design to match your brand. Once you have finished customizing, save your changes. Test the lead magnet to ensure it functions as expected. Finally, promote your LinkedIn lead magnet through your network and ensure it's visible to your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.